Hello, everyone. I'm Yasna Ordenes Briceño. I'm a postdoctoral fellow of Catholic University of Chile. And my poster is about the next generation Fornax survey. That is, the aim is to do a census of baryonic structures in the Fornax cluster, galaxy cluster. So here I show in the first plot the sky, the coverage area of the survey. And we are covering the Fornax cluster up to the virial sphere. So we have 19 decantides in UGI in the optical, and we are detecting the low surface brightness dwarf galaxies. So we have candidates, and we are have a preliminary number of 800 dwarfs in the area. And summing up the bright galaxies, we have around 1,000 galaxies to study in detail. So we can study morphologies, projected surface density distribution, structural parameters, color analysis, and scale relations. So a lot of things to do. And can you change? So we want to use the Gemini facilities to have a better understanding of the dwarf galaxy. We would like to have radial velocity, but also we need to understand the scale, the time formation scales of the nuclei, the nucleated dwarf galaxy and the non-nucleated. So here we test the dragons in some of the dwarfs that we have already. So we have a lot of things to do, and stay tuned because of papers are coming out soon. Thank you.